Namaste to everyone. Here we are going to see how to make a Google form. After signing in with your mail ID, just click here on this 9 dot symbol, and whenever you scroll it up, you will get this Google Docs. Click on that. After that, you will get uh, docs here, so different documents you can open, and means whatever you have done previously in your system, that you are going to get here. But here we are going to create one Google form, so that is why click here on this three lines symbol, and here select these forms. And after that, here already templates are there which are already created ones. There we can make changes, whatever is required we can enter that, we can use it. But here we are going to prepare some test. These are all for different things, just contact information, something else. So here we are going to prepare some test paper. So select a blank document. Then in that, default name of this form will be untitled form. Here you can change the name of this. So I am giving some name, some lesson name we can give, on which, based on which we are conducting the test. Here you can write the test number, assignment number, or date. You can put whatever you want. And here untitled question is there. Anyway, we have to know who is the student writing the test now, so that's why type name here. And here, based on this question itself, here this option will change. Default it will be MCQ, but now when I typed name, it is changed in it's already it has changed into short answer. So let it be like that. And short answer text, let it be like that only. Then after that, we have to enter the next one. A roll number also we need, so that is what you do. So now we have to type a roll number also. Just click on this plus symbol. We'll see the other options also. What are those? One by one. Here, the roll number. Okay. So roll number also should become a short answer type. And here we can give options also for that, like conditions. It should be a number. Okay. And after that, here once you do this one, required option also you select there, because compulsory they have to enter their name, required. Then after that, we have to start our typing of question paper. But sometimes what happens is, whenever the child opens this Google form, directly they will see the questions, they will put it off, they will prepare, again they will open it and write. So to avoid that little bit, to avoid that one, what we can do is, we can create sections here. So what you do, after this roll number, no, here we have something equal to symbol is there. So here you can make it add section. Okay. So here also again you can type the lesson name. Okay. Then after that, again description if you want you can do. Now you start again adding the questions. Now I'm writing the question now. I have given the I have typed the question here. Multiple choice default, the multiple choice is there, type of the question. Anyway, multiple choice only we want to give. Now here option, one by one option you select here, means you have to type. If you click on add option, you will get the next one. Again add option, again add option. So 4 options we have completed. Then again, if you want one more question, just click on that. Here you can type the question. So here also again multiple choice question is there, option in giving. Okay. Then, so here I wanted to give only 2 questions for the children, multiple choice type of questions. Afterwards, if you want to make any changes, afterwards also you can make. just I want to show only 2 questions here, 2 multiple choice questions. These also they have to attempt compulsory. If they are not attempting the questions, all the questions whatever we give, we are not going to accept their responses. So that's what we have done. Now only with 2 questions, let us see first. Now here you go to settings. In settings, what you do, in general, you select this option, limit to 1 response. One student can attempt only for 1 time. Then come to quizzes, just select this option, make this a quiz, because we have to enter the key also. Okay, then after that you remove these options, because some of the students what they are doing is respondent can see is there here missed questions, correct answers, point values. Each question carries how many marks, that they have to know, total how many marks they got, that also they have to know. So that's why we have selected this option. This correct answers and missed questions is there. This, if you select, what is happening, one student is writing the test, he will know the correct answers, he will pass to the next student. Like that it happened when I have conducted for some class. So that's why I'm not selecting these options. Okay, and release grade immediately after each submission, this we can select. If you don't want also, no problem. Then after that, just to do this one, save. Okay, now this will be highlighted here, before it was not there. Now you select this answer key, which is the correct answer, you select that, and how many marks you want to give. I want to give only 1 mark for this answer, and for this also answer key NaCl, then points I want to give 1 mark, done. So both I have selected here, both I have done here. Okay, and both questions whatever are there, I have selected this required option. Now I want to send this Google form to children. Okay, so if you want to send this to children, what you have to do is, you have to click on this send option. Before this, you wanted to see if the student opens this one, how it will appear for the children. Just click on this preview, eye symbol is there beside the settings. Click this, you will get this required. Name is required compulsory, they have to enter it. So star mark is nothing but for entering the means compulsory, it is required question. So name, your answer, I am entering my name. Without entering, see, I don't enter, I don't want to enter this, but I want to see the questions. So this is a required question, it will come like that. Now I am entering my name. Okay, roll number I am entering. Now only it will show the next section. This is the advantage if you are having the sections. Okay, now here I want to attempt only this one, I don't want to attempt this, I don't know the answer. If you are clicking on submit, it will not take. This is a required question, so compulsory you have to click on that. Then if you are submitting, it will be submitted. Okay, like this it will appear for the children. So we have seen the preview, just to come back. Then if you want to give any changes for these colors and all, that option also is there. It's based on your interest. Okay, you can choose an image to put upside, and different colors you can give like that. All these are there. Font style, if you want to change, all these options are there. Now I don't want to do all those, I want to send this to the children. Okay, now send. Here it will appear like this window. Send via message, URL will be there, along with that embedded HTML also is there. In these all, we are going to select the middle one because we want to send the link directly. We don't want to send in the form of message and all. Link, if you are putting in our school app or in the WhatsApp group, they can click on that. But before clicking, they should have an idea, they should have the mail ID compulsory. Without that, they can't attempt that question. So shorten the URL, then means that URL whatever is there, it will be shortened. Before that it was not short form. So you can see now. Okay, so shorten URL, copy, and now already it is copied. Now you can open your WhatsApp. Okay, directly in the system you can open your WhatsApp and there you can paste it. So I'm not going to do now. You can paste it like that. Now what we'll do is we want to enter some image. I want to give some other question here. Let's close this one also. Now just to see here, I want to give some image for this for some question. What I'll do is I'll click on this plus symbol. Based on the image given. I have typed some question here. I want to give some image here. This image should be there in your system, either laptop, desktop, or even in mobile also we can do this. There it should be present compulsory. So click on that. Here what you can do is directly, if you are able to take the picture through camera, you can take it, or if any URL is there or any photos are there, that all you can do. Or otherwise what you can do is just click on browse. If you know already that where it is present, if you know already, you can click on that browse. Okay, or otherwise you can do one more thing also. I'll show with browse and also by dragging the file. So click on this browse. Then here I have some image. Just open that. It will be uploaded here. Okay, so you can see that image like this. Or otherwise I don't want like this. I don't know where is that image is. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll delete this one. So now I want to select by dragging the file here. That also I'll show here. What we can do is we can resize our this Chrome or Google, whatever is there, this we can resize. It will become like this. Now what I'll do is I'll search it now. Actually before I don't know, now I'll search it. So where it is, after that, after knowing that where is my image, so then directly from there I'll drag it here. So here I have that. So somewhere here I have, I'll search it now. So in 8th class files, somewhere I have this, some picture is there here. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll drag directly from there to here. Now it will be uploaded. Now again you maximize your screen. Okay, like this we can get that image, right? And here also we can give the options, option 1, option 2, like that. We can click on that options and we can enter the options whatever are there. Answer key we can give and marks also we can give, like that. Okay, now once we'll see how to give this matching type of question. Matching type of question, if you want to give, what you can do is just click on this plus symbol, and here first of all you have to select this question as multiple choice grid or even checkbox grid also. So I am taking here multiple choice grid. Okay, multiple choice grid. Here it will appear like row column. You can go on adding the row and go on adding the column also. So here I will write match the following. Okay, and here I want to give so here I have given the rows one by one. You can add on that and you can click there and write that question whatever you want. So here I have given already sulfur, helium, sodium. I will give another one, carbon. Okay, suitable symbols I want to give here. Click on this column and suitable answers for your rows. You give the answers in column. So helium, sodium completed. Next carbon. and after that sulfur. Right. Now what you do, you have to give the answer key for this, and here also require a response each row, and check that in this one, if you click here, you will get this option, limit to one response per each column. This you deselect before. Anyway, it will not be there, but sometimes what happens by mistake, if you are selecting this, again we'll get a problem. Okay, I'll show what is the problem. Now here we'll go for answer key. Okay, sulfur, near sulfur we have to select. Next helium, next sodium, carbon. Okay, now once you see here, we have selected each one, in means in one particular column we have got this, in this one we got this, in this one here, this one here. See, 4 into 4 we got correctly. But sometimes what happens, if you are giving this in the form of for multiple choice questions also we can give like this. I'll say how to do that. So there we have to deselect that one. Now if you are selecting also, no problem actually. So now what you do is, again you select the points also, how many points you are giving for each answer. Okay, and after that click on this done. So like this you can give for matching. Now you can send it, whatever the changes you have done they will be saved. No need to click again on save button somewhere else, no need to do like that. Just click on this one and shorten URL, copy and save. Anyway, remaining all options whatever are there in our settings, whatever we have done already, they are there. So presentation here, one thing, if you are doing this shuffle question order, no, if you are having only questions it is useful, but when you are having name and roll number also you have entered in questions, no, so name will come somewhere else down or in the middle somewhere, so that's why don't select this option. Okay, and quizzes, anyway we have selected these options, and here we have selected one save, it already saved. Now we can send this URL. Okay, now once I want to show you in another form also without typing, as Padma madam told in our meeting, without typing, in the sense I wanted to copy some questions from somewhere, I don't want to type it here again, the same thing I want to put it directly. Okay, there we can copy paste, means copy paste in the sense how it will be there, like a question we have to copy paste, then 4 options copy and paste, again next question copy and paste here, all the 10 questions options, if you want to copy it will not come. So that is why the better thing I found. Okay, so that I want to say for you. First of all, you click on this forms, blank documents. Here you type your lesson name, whatever you want. Okay, now from this motion lesson I got some questions somewhere, and I want to put all those questions here itself. Okay, what you can do is, just you go to another website wherever you are able to finding it easily, so that I'll open first. So just to see here, we got some questions